there, it's Beauty Junkie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm getting into the blue collection from Tatcha, their skincare collection. This is the Calm skincare collection. I do have somewhat sensitive skin, so I was excited to jump into this. I mostly wanted to pick up this body butter, the indigo body butter. Heard such great things, but if you're a first time purchaser online, you can get, I believe it's 15% off. So I ended up buying some other things to meet that minimum requirement. And people seem to love this blue collection. I actually wish they had a little bit more options. So I also picked up the Rice Polish Calming. It's a physical exfoliating powder cleanser. I also picked up the Indigo Overnight Repair Cream. This is, I believe, the serum in cream. Very tiny size, both of these. And this is the full size body butter. Here is all the packaging. Very nice. The Tatcha is, to me, luxury. It is expensive. It is fragranced Japanese skincare, okay? I have tried a couple of random samples here and there over the years. Nothing ever blew me away, even the primer that everyone loved at one moment. I had it. I wasn't in love with it, but you know, here I am revisiting the skincare now. I don't know who I was watching, but they were like, oh, this always sells out, this overnight repair cream especially, but people seem to really love the body butter. So let's get into cleansing first. That's what we do first with our skincare routine, and this is the physical exfoliating powder. Comes in this nifty packaging. I'll go ahead and describe what this is supposed to do, and then I'll show you the demo of me using it. So this is a gentle water activated daily exfoliant of Japanese rice bran and soothing indigo. That's all the box says. I think, you know, you don't need much more than that. This is a 0.5 gram size, and it's basically a powder. You add water to it, and then it physically exfoliates the skin, sort of tries to get rid of some of that dead skin sitting on the surface, especially around the nose. I think I don't necessarily need a lot of exfoliation, but I probably do more than I think I do. I do masks, I do some chemical exfoliating sometimes. I wash my face, I think, pretty well, but having an exfoliator like this sometimes is helpful. Now, this is the gentlest powder exfoliator I've ever tried, hands down, so I've been enjoying it. I'll go ahead and show you what the demo of it. All right, I'm going to show you what the Calming Rice Polish does, demonstration. So this is not a huge amount of product. I believe this is like the mini size. There's only 1/2 ounce, 15 grams of product in here, but it's a powder, and I kind of like the packaging on this. You just push this little lever up, there's a hole, and the powder comes out. So it is a blue powder. That's really all you need. You can definitely get away with less than that. This is what it looks like, and then I'm going to add water, just a bit. That's like how much you need. It turns into a paste, and it starts foaming up there, and then you put this on wet skin. I'm just demonstrating. This is a very mild physical exfoliator. Sometimes it's nice to have a physical exfoliator. I love how gentle this one is. I've tried many other powder exfoliators like the Dermalogica one, the micro exfoliant. This one's a bit rougher, but a lot of people love it. It's a classic. I like how gentle this one is, so I'm just gonna rinse my face. I will say I should have used more water because it definitely foams up a lot more and is easier to move around if your face is wet. I didn't do that because kind of odd to film washing your face. And I'm just really not thinking about logistics here. My face does generally feel softer, but if you use this every day, I feel like you're not gonna really notice much of a difference if you're just all using it all the time, which I think because this is gentle, you could get away with it, but if you're really sensitive, you might be overdoing it if you use this every day. All right, hopefully you found that helpful to see the powder in action. As I said, I've tried other powder exfoliators like this, and I like this one the best. Just because I'm not gonna overdo it, you know, unless I did it, you know, every day, multiple times a day. I'm not doing that though. I want to put on a cream because my face is dry, and this is as I said, the Serum and Cream Indigo Overnight Repair. I would love if they came out with a day cream. The texture of this is it's pretty gel-like. It's really light, but it feels hydrating, it feels nourishing, but it's also, I would say Serum and Cream is a good descriptor because it's so lightweight, it doesn't feel super hydrating when it's actually on the skin. I feel like I need, especially in the winter, I need more than this. I have a combo skin. I've been leaning a lot drier lately though, so I feel like this is nice. It's a nice step, but it can't be my only moisturizer. I think it's not quite enough. But I do layer other products, so sometimes this ends up being my last step at night because I have other stuff on top. But I have only gone through this much. I can't speak to, you know, is it calming, is it soothing? It doesn't seem to irritate my skin. It's nice and light. I can't really smell anything. I like it. I don't know that I'll be repurchasing it just from the couple weeks I've been retrying it, but just from the couple weeks I've been trying it, I don't know that I want to pick up a bigger bottle, but we'll see after, you know, using the whole thing up. But you guys have to let me know, like, do you feel like it's enough moisture? Do you add other things on top? Does that affect how well, you know, it's gonna work? I don't know. Let me read the little description on here. So this is 10 mils, not a lot of product. Compromised skin is renewed with Japanese indigo and ceramides, helps calm visible irritation, replenish the moisture barrier, and balance the microbiome. Okay. Is it doing that? I'm not sure. I have felt some irritation and bumps up here, but I have been trying a couple of new things, so I'm not sure where that is coming from, if it's stress or not. Okay, last thing, Tatcha, the Indigo Body Butter. I'll just say this straight out the gate. This is the favorite product that I picked up out of the three. The hype is real on this one. It is very scented though. It smells kind of sweet and candy-like, but also a little bit herbally. I think it's a nice scent. Some of you may not like it. The texture of this cream though, it's rich without feeling sticky. It absorbs well. The formula of this is incredible, but this is pricey. Okay, so I would, you know, concentrate it in the areas that you really want to have renewed skin, maybe not all over the body. Some people like to put this on their chest and their arms where people are gonna see them the most. This texture is incredible. It's rich. It's just like, what is it? The just right, not too thick, not too thin, Goldilocks of creams, really, body butters. Now, when you think of a butter, you're expecting something thick, so I would still say that it is on the thicker side, but it's spreadable and absorbable, so it's really got a lot of nice qualities about it. Now, of course, this isn't going to be for everyone. If you can get a sample, a mini size, try it first before you buy the whole thing. Go in the store and feel it. I think you'll get a sense whether or not you're gonna like it if you just touch it. But a lot of this, I think, it's not so much about the calming, it's the smell that's really like relaxing. So the texture, the smell really does it for me. I wouldn't necessarily love the smell if it was like really strong in the face products. In the body, I'm a little bit more forgiving. I wouldn't mind if they made a body wash or body cream rinse in this scent, in the blue indigo. I think that would be a nice touch, but I'm a fan of this. Because of the price, I would get it again on sale. Yeah, I like it though. I really like it. I think the hype is real with that one, but you know, I buy a lot of lotions. Do I really need it? Probably not, but I enjoy it. So that's kind of it for the video. As you can tell, I haven't been using this stuff that long, but I thought it would be helpful to give you a sense of what the textures are like, what it feels like to me. If you have any questions, comment below. If you like this video, click the thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.